Adding cookies working with Firefox WebDriver but not in PhantomJS. I have a pickle with cookies that I create through the following command. I have the sample code to get the cookies. I can see that it creates the cookie well because if I print it, it's fine. The add_cookie is doing shady things. This gives the following exception. To work, all I need is to change WebDriver to Firefox. Is this a known PhantomJS issue?
It seems that some key/values are not supported by the PhantomJS driver. To overcome this issue, I would inject the most important ones with execute_script.
If you want to continue, please consider subscribe.